Hi, Miss Maria Josefa Orieta. Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Maria Josefa Orieta. I'm 35 years old. I live in Santa Lucia 2, Sablayos, Bindal, Mindoro. I am single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 2 kids, 1 boy and 1 girl.
How many siblings do you have?
We are 7 in the family and I'm the 5th child.
Tell me about your educational background.
I'm college graduate at Bachelor of Science in Information Technology.
Do you have work experience abroad?
I'm ex-abroad from 2017 to 2019 in Hong Kong.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm kind, trustworthy, loving, and flexible at work.
Do you have any tattoo?
I don't have tattoo.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to earn money for my kids' future.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
I will cook nicely, and if they want to play, I will play them.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
What is your message to your future employer?
If you hired me, I do my work. I am kind, trustworthy, and honest. And I will finish my contract. Thank you.